Hi, my name is Derek. We're in the National Museum of Ireland Natural History. Basically, the collection it's the Irish collection and the animals and mammals of the world. We hold about 10,000 exhibits in this building. The collection consists of over 2 million.
And I love the skeleton here of this hippo behind me. And I'm going to do a quick study of it in watercolor and gouache. Now I'm starting, as I often do, with a reddish-brown watercolor pencil, kind of mapping out the basic shapes so I know where I'm going. And then I use a flat brush to paint a fairly cool color over the whole surface. Now before I paint the shadows, I'm going to paint the halftones. Halftones are the part of the form that's turning away from the light but still mostly in the light. The light is diffuse and cool, coming from a glass ceiling. Now I'm using this flat brush to paint around the form very carefully. Instead of drawing a line around the form, I'm actually creating a tonal shape around it. This is why painting, for me, is faster than drawing, as I can create these shapes quickly with a brush. The contour along the top of the nose and the upper eye socket is very obvious, but it gets more soft and lost underneath the lower jaw. Here's the closer eye socket, right at the top of the skull when the hippo is just under the surface of the water. Here's the edge of the cheekbone or the zygomatic arch. The cheeks and the lips and the nose are all soft parts, which you don't really see on the skull itself. One of the keys for doing a quick sketch like this is to not get too caught up in the small details at this stage. I try to think of the form as if I'm whittling it out of wood and not putting in little lines or separating out small details. Like the teeth, I'm just barely defining at this stage. Of all the wildlife in Africa, the hippopotamus is really one of the most dangerous to humans. You can see from this hippo skull that it's got massive muscles in its jaw that attach to this huge skull and just massive teeth.
I'm a big rhinoceros.
The watercolor palette and water cup are clipped to the left side of my book. Rather than doing a highly detailed rendering, I'm going to wrap this up now. Most natural history museums are great places to sketch, and in this case they even provide the chairs. Okay, thanks for watching. You might want to check out my website or subscribe to my channel. And then here's a playlist with more good stuff and a video that continues the story. So check them out and share with your friends.